Welcome to the Foul Mouth News, where the filters are off and the language is colorful. If you are offended by profanity or vulgarity in general, not to mention political incorrectness, this video is not for you. You have been forewarned. So if you have virgin ears, be prepared because they are about to be violated.
Hello, everyone. So, yeah, the Democrats aren't even fucking hiding their cheating in Pennsylvania right now. They're openly doing it in defiance of the Pennsylvania Supreme Court, thumbing their nose at it. And, yeah, this is the only outlet, the Philadelphia Inquirer here, that is at least somewhat honestly reporting the situation, because all the other ones are like, well, they're fighting for election, for voters' rights and all that other fucking retarded shit. And they like kind of glance, just quickly glance over the fact that this is being done in defiance of the state's Supreme Court. So we have an article here, as I said, from the Philadelphia Inquirer. This was published on November 15th, written by Jeremy Roebuck and Katie Bernard. And the title here, Dave McCormick sues Philly election officials over their decision to count undated ballots in defiance of court orders. And the lead in here. The suit comes amid a series of legal challenges McCormick has filed to elections officials who have voted to count undated and misdated mail-in, I'm assuming ballots should be there, defiance of orders from the Pennsylvania Supreme Court. Yeah, the Pennsylvania Supreme Court said enough of this shit. They're not legitimate fucking ballots. They don't pass muster, stop fucking counting them. And because he's won, alright, they don't give a fuck. The whiny cunts that they are, the immature little fucking children, they're gonna openly do this shit to steal the election from him and not give a fuck that they're doing it in defiance of the court. So what the state Supreme Court needs to do is put injunctions on all these people. Don't follow them. Okay. Bring them up on fucking charges. Put them on contempt. Say, okay, where did you stop counting? This is where it is. Fuck you. Until you make things right and certify the election the way it was, yeah, you're in jail. I mean, because until you comply with an order of contempt, they can keep you in fucking jail indefinitely. Let's see how fucking, defiant they want to be then. These are the same fucking people, I'm sure, type of people. I'm sure that some of them, if not all of them, were fucking cheering all the people that got put away for January 6th for walking through the, people that walked through the Capitol after the police let them in. So, yeah, what's good for the goose is good for the fucking gander, too. Let's get into this here. Republican Senate candidate David McCormick sued Philadelphia's Board of Commissioners on Friday, the latest in a series of legal challenges he's filed against elections officials who voted to count undated or misdated mail-in ballots in defiance of orders from the Pennsylvania Supreme Court. See, what they're trying to act like is, the Supreme Court said this didn't apply for this election, so I don't know why he's putting up a stink, blah, 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 blah. That's how the other, AP and others are fucking playing this shit. They're sleazy as fuck. And where I saw this is at least somewhat legit in the reporting, yeah. And they actually quote the person like, yeah, well, I'm going to defy one of the people that I'm going to defy a court. What the fuck they're going to do? Basically is the mentality behind it. So I figured this was a good one to cover. The Philadelphia board, led by Chair Omar Sabir, a Democrat, chose in a meeting Wednesday to include more than 600 ballots submitted by voters who failed to date or incorrectly dated the outer envelopes as required by state law, which most of them overwhelmingly, surprisingly I'm sure, are undated. And the reason why they want the date on the ballot is because when you're stuffing the ballot box, one of the things they tend not to do is put dates on those fucking mail-in ballots. It's about the integrity. That's why they want the date, which they try to go, oh, well, it's about receiving it. No, it's not. That's their fucking excuse. Okay, though Democrats and voting rights groups have long argued that the date is irrelevant and is not used by elections officials to determine whether a ballot was submitted on time, the Pennsylvania Supreme Court, in a pair of orders this fall, sent a clear message to counties. Those ballots should not be counted for this election. Yes, but again, it's not about, the dating of the ballot in regards to the election and seeing if it's legit. Yes, it is but it's more along the lines of making sure that it's a legit ballot. Okay, because they don't want ballots just fucking showing up miraculously after the fact, like they happen to do here in Pennsylvania. In fucking Philadelphia fucking county. And give me a fucking break. Oh, these assholes. I swear to God. Like, they don't give a fuck. They'll openly say, fuck you, we're not going to comply. What are you going to fucking do? And because the courts have been weak when it comes to the fucking, Republicans and Democrats punishing Democrats, because Republicans have been fucking weak tea when it comes to that shit, okay? Unless it's a fucking Jan 6 defendant. Unless it has something to do with fucking bullshit, the most bullshit fucking illegitimate election in the history of mankind. As not the safest, securest one, I'm sure. I'm sure they want people to believe that. But yeah, these fucking people are ridiculous. They're weak tea. So these assholes, fuck you. You need to throw the book at these fucking cunts and show them enough is enough. Okay, we're going to equally apply our justice system now. The right isn't going to get fucking constantly fucked over, okay, and anally fucking raped figuratively, and in some cases, I'm sure, literally with like J6 defendants and shit. This is fucking ridiculous. It's time that you people are held fucking accountable. It's ridiculous. Philadelphia, like many other counties yeah, all Democrat counties, yeah, anyway. Philadelphia, like many other counties that have voted to count them anyway, including Bucks, Montgomery, and Center counties, has defended that decision by saying excluding those ballots unfairly disenfranchises tens of thousands of otherwise eligible voters each year. Well, then maybe they should have fucking took the time to fill out if they're actually legitimate voters, to fill out their fucking ballots right. I mean, they want their shit counted. How hard is it to follow simple fucking directions? I'm sorry. So sad. Too bad. Get fucked. No, they're not being counted. They should not be counted. All right. And the results right now are the fucking results. Fuck you. I hope the court rules that, you fucking cunts. I mean, this one really got me saying cunt a lot because they are cunts. They also point to a recent Commonwealth Court ruling that concluded rejecting undated and misdated ballots constitutes a violation of the rights guaranteed to voters by the state constitution. Yes, but the Pennsylvania Supreme Court overruled this fucking court, and this court actually has no actual jurisdiction in this shit. That's another reason why the fucking Supreme Court got involved. This court handles, like, other fucking shit altogether. Attorney Robert Barnes got into this. What the fuck do they handle? But they're not supposed to handle this shit. They judge shopped in a court that has no jurisdiction over the fucking election. This is fucking ridiculous. And they're going to cite that ruling even though the fucking Pennsylvania Supreme Court overruled that exact fucking ruling. These people don't give a fuck. Well, we're going to go by this ruling because it's the ruling that we like. Are you fucking kidding me? All right, the Pennsylvania Supreme Court should now be saying, hey, guess what, assholes? Shit's over. Fuck you. You're done counting. This shit's done. The total you had before counting those fucking ballots that you're now hoping will fucking steal the election for the Democrat, they don't count. That's what needs to be done. I said, that shit don't count. Go fuck yourself. I mean, this is ridiculous. Because the Pennsylvania Supreme Court said that this is a violation of state law, them doing this, and the state constitution. Shortly afterward, the Supreme Court issued an order clarifying the lower court's ruling and mandating that it should not be applied to the 2024 election. The justices have yet to take the issue up on the merits. They said, hey, yeah, this does not fucking apply to this election. Fuck you. They overruled this shit. In his lawsuit in Philadelphia on Friday, McCormick, joined by the Republican National Committee and Pennsylvania GOP, asked a common pleas court to overturn the board's decision and remove undated and misdated ballots from Philadelphia's final total. Oh, excuse me. In what can only be understood as a confused or defiant action, the commissioners voted to count 607 mail-in ballots that do not comply with the date requirement. McCormick attorney George Bachetto said, the Pennsylvania Supreme Court has clearly prohibited this action. Okay. As as confused or defiant action. They openly fucking said, fuck you, we're doing this. So and you're arguing, why are you giving them the benefit of the fucking doubt? Why are you giving this court an out? Because they can be like, well, they were just playing stupid. They were just stupid. They were confused. They didn't understand it. They're flouting this shit in our faces, for fuck's sake. The filing comes a day after McCormick filed a similar suit against Bucks County Elections Board, and Republican National Committee asked the state Supreme Court to reiterate its previous orders to all of Pennsylvania's 67 counties. In another openly defiant vote to include a separate batch of provisional ballots deemed invalid by the Supreme Court, Bucks County Commissioner Diane Ellis Marsiglia on Thursday said she hoped to send a message. Yeah, this fucking cunt right here, when she's bragging about this shit, find her in fucking contempt, throw the stupid cunt in jail until she will certify said election minus these ballots. She ain't gonna want to spend any fucking time there. I mean, enough with this fucking pussyfooting around shit. Weak tea fucking, two-tier fucking justice shit. Throw this cunt in fucking prison, or jail at least, for fucking contempt. I mean, with the shit to her trying to steal an election, I would say throw her under the fucking jail. Of course, after a free and fair fucking trial. Fucking cunt. You hope to send a message. Okay, I think we all know that precedent by a court doesn't matter anymore in this country, she said. People that violate laws anytime they want. So for me, if I violate this law, it's because I want a court to pay attention. There's nothing more important than counting votes. No, what it is there's nothing more important than Democrats winning, you fucking retarded cunt. Just be honest. Okay, you want the court to notice? Okay, find you in contempt and throw you in fucking jail, you whore. You fucking Democrat whore. You fucking vile fucking cunt. I mean, these people are ridiculous. You lost, and instead of being adults, like, these are the same fucking assholes that went, look at how immature Trump's people are being because they're questioning us stealing the election. You need to grow up and just accept that we stole the election. And now, when the fucking pushback to your retarded shit, the Democrats' retarded shit, is so bad that you can't fucking cheat. Like, and not have it in your fucking face of, in regards to everyone. You're still gonna fucking do it, and you're gonna openly flout it, and you're gonna be like, well, I'm gonna do this anyways. Fuck you. What are they gonna do? Throw your ass in jail, cunt. That's what should happen to you. These fucking people. This fucking cunt has gotta go to jail on contempt until she'll fucking not count those votes and certify the fucking election in that county. Real simple. Bitch, you got caught cheating, and here's the deal. You're in contempt. Fuck you. And then after that, fucking go after her for fucking trying to steal the election. Give me a goddamn break. I love how they're framing this right here. The county rebellion comes amidst the county rebellion. No, you mean them breaking the law because they can't accept the fact that they lost a fucking election? Jesus Christ. Okay, the county stealing comes amid a statewide recount and a tight race between McCormick and Democratic incumbent Bob Casey, a contest in which the candidates were separated Friday by fewer than 24,000 votes. Yeah, so they're desperate. This is a cheat. Despite the ongoing tallying, the Associated Press called the race for McCormick last week, concluding that Casey no longer had any viable path to victory. But yet, the AP was trying to push this as, oh yeah, completely legit, them trying to fucking do this shit. Like, they're fighting for voters' rights by doing this. Are you fucking kidding me? While none of the counties that voted to count undated mail ballots have couched their votes in terms of the ongoing Senate race and have instead cited broader concerns over disenfranchising voters, their decisions are likely to benefit Casey. Well, no shit. That's the point. They're fucking stealing the election. Of course they're going to benefit fucking Casey. They stuffed the fucking ballot box. And now they're trying to fucking get him over. When you have Chuck Schumer going, yeah, we're not going to let McCormick in for the orientation for freshman senators. You got this shit going on. There's a fucking steal going on. And McCormick, fucking Schumer clearly knows what the fuck's going on. He's clearly part of the people behind the scenes orchestrating this fucking shit. Find him, fucking arrest his fucking ass for this shit too. Enough with this shit. This is fucking one big fucking theft. In your face. They're doing it right in your fucking face. This is more fucking in your face than 2020's theft. Like, literally, they're saying, hey, we don't care what the courts say. We're going to count these fucking ballots because it benefits our fucking guy. Because we're the ones who happen to fill them out. You know, hint, hint, wink, wink, nudge, nudge. Yeah, no, these are legitimate voters. I mean, this is ridiculous. Democrats are overwhelmingly more likely to vote by mail-in than Republicans. Really? Because this year it kind of got fucked on that one. So yeah, go fuck yourself. And that's doubly true in many of the counties that have voted to include undated and misdated ballots in their final tallies, especially in Philadelphia, where Casey has received more than 4 times as many votes as McCormick in the overall count. See, this is about a cheat. They're trying to use this shit to fucking steal the seat. Accept it. You lost. Grow the fuck up. These are the same people. How dare Trump call us out stealing an election? How dare they call us out kicking out observers? You fucking cunts. Just admit you fucking lost. Anyway, still McCormick's effort to exclude undated ballots marks a reversal from his position 2 years ago, when he urged courts to count them as he locked in a tight GOP primary contest against the then opponent, Mahatma Oz. Well, okay, and you fucks want non-signed, non-dated, X for a fucking signature's okay, fucking whatever type of shit. Yeah, you just ignore that we stuffed the ballot box. You people are fucking vile human beings. The court said you could not do this. Yet you're going to do it anyways. The Pennsylvania Supreme Court needs to step up and say, nope, fuck you. The election's being certified. Before you play this shady fucking game, you were told not to count this shit. The totals, before you decided to do this, are the totals. Go fuck yourselves. That's what needs to be done with this. No putting more pussyfooting around this. And what's funny is the Philadelphia Inquirer admits that they are fucking saying fuck you to the state's Supreme Court and then still tries to defend this shit. We truly live in fucking clown world where they will admit, yeah, they're violating court orders, but it's a good thing. Fuck you. Anyway, yeah, I've covered this well enough. I'm leaving things here. If you've made it this far and haven't already, please like and subscribe. Also feel free to subscribe over on the other platforms where this channel's content is uploaded to, as well as subscribe and follow over on sites like Minds, Gab, and Parler. Links to each are in the description.